Who is the superhero in your life? Hi, it's Nancy Solari, founder of Living Full Out. Today is National Superhero Day. Love this day, right? We have so many real-life heroes around us. The police officers that protect us, the firemen and women that are out there just fighting those fires, making sure that we're safe, paramedics, you name it. Everybody that is dedicated to your safety. And then of course, we have got Wonder Woman, right? We've got Batman. We've got so many people that are out there fighting crime and just wanting good in life. But remember that you are a superhero as well, and you can be even in someone else's life. When you do a kind gesture for someone, they might turn around going, wow, he is my knight in shining armor. Or they might look at you and say, wow, she is so loving. She makes my life and my day better every time I see her. So I want you to be a superhero today. I want you to find some way to make someone else's life easier, make it brighter. Maybe it's buying them a coffee, something as simple as that. Maybe it's saying, you know what, go get a massage, I'm watching your kids. Wow, that would be a gift, right? It could be anything, at buying them dinner. But today is the day that you can give that away, be a superhero, maybe watch a movie together. And if you do have those heroes in our life, those people that do protect us, it's good to donate to them or do a kind gesture, send flowers, write a note, whatever you can. Most of all, comment down below, let us know how you're going to be a hero today. Here's to you living full out. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to see other inspirational videos. Make sure to ring that bell. Also, connect with us on other social media sites and comment back if you'd like to share what type of videos you want us to create. Here's to you living your life full out.